My name is Carol Ducharme, and it's common for Indigenous people to share where they come from and who are our people. So I am a member of Kisiku's First Nation, which is located in Treaty 4 territory in Saskatchewan. And my people are, I'm Saulteaux on my mother's side, and I'm Métis on my father's side.
Ani Bojo, Jolene Indigenous, Whitefish River Dunjaba, Wabashishi Dodom. So I just said my name is Jolene May. I'm from Whitefish River Birch Island, and I'm part of the Martin clan.
My name is Lisa Zangrel. I am the Indigenous Student Support Specialist. I'm originally from the Ottawa Valley with an ancestral connection to the South Slave region, the Northwest Territories.
Anin Bojo Tegan Indigenous. My name is Tegan Delarond, and I'm Métis, and I'm a citizen of Red Sky Métis Independent Nation.
Ani Bojo Audrey Indigenous. Wabadogan Dinbendagwas, Makwadodam. I said hello, greetings from creation. My name is Audrey. I am from the Bear Clan and I am Anishinaabe. The Office of Indigenous Initiatives here at George Brown College is really responsible for the student experience, the learning experience, and driving institutional change. We are deeply committed to our Indigenous education strategy. It has 3 themes and 7 pillars. Inside of that is a beautiful framework for us to work together with our partners, with our college and our community to help to work towards reconciliation through indigenization and decolonization.
One of the things that I'm really excited to work on is creating an Indigenous Student Association so that students are able to connect with each other and kind of navigate through their own journey of self-discovery.
I'm going to be supporting a lot of different student workshops and events. And you'll also find me here on campus in the Indigenous Student Centers.
We have lots of resources for Indigenous students. We have 2 knowledge and wisdom keepers who go for traditional counseling, or just someone to talk to like a grandma when you need some support or some extra love.
Financial support can be a barrier, and it could really affect your studies and your performance at school. And here at the Office of Indigenous Initiatives, we work very closely with the George Brown Foundation to offer financial support, to work with donors, to have bursaries and awards and scholarships available for our learners so that they are able to focus on their studies.
One thing that Indigenous students need to know is that we are here. You have community here, and we are here to support you in every step of the way.
We're going to be able to share our stories, our culture, and our events with our community more frequently. And another thing I would just say to students is that all of our student centers have our traditional medicines, and you can come by anytime for the sweet smells of the 4 original medicines that the Creator gave us, and we just really are here to help make the best experience possible for you.